Do you want to start content creation in 2026 and don't know where to begin? Maybe you are worried about camera, editing, subscribers, or what content to create. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can actually start a successful YouTube channel as a complete beginner. Are you ready? Sit pretty, let's get it started. Hey love, welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, I am Tina and you're so welcome to my channel. Right here we teach about content creation, AI creation. We equally teach how to grow online. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, you can actually join us simply by subscribing. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can start a YouTube channel in 2026. Make sure to watch to the end because I'm still going to be sharing with you some of the mistakes that new YouTubers make. I'm actually going to be discussing this in stages, pre-stage and post-stage. Now, first and first, pre-stage before you actually start the full creation. Now, you need to first of all think of a niche. This is the first thing you should think of. What are you up for? What do you want to create? What do you want people to be seeing? What are you out for? Yes, that's the niche. There are so many niches that you can actually base on. We have the educational niche, the content creation niche, the AI niche, the digital products niche. Like we have so many niches here on YouTube. Which one are you up for? That's the number one thing, and that's on pre-stage. First and first, you need a niche. Okay, now this is one area a lot of beginners makes mistake with, but here is one thing I can tell you for free. If you actually want to create a successful channel here on YouTube, there are things I will advise you to consider before selecting a niche. 1, what people are really interested in watching. 2, what you can actually be consistent in over time, like in 5 years, in 10 years, in 15 years, in 20 years, you can still create a video around that niche. Yes. And thirdly, something that you enjoy doing. These three should lap each other when you are considering selecting a niche. Consider these three things. It will help you to actually select the best niche that you can be consistent on over time. Now, step 2, create a Gmail account. If you already have a Gmail account, I will still advise you to actually create another one. It is very good. It is very important. You should do well to create another for your YouTube channel. And step 3, create a profile picture. Step 4, create a YouTube banner. If you don't know how to create a YouTube banner, I have a tutorial on that on the channel. You can do well to check it out. Okay. And step 5, choose a channel name. This is my advice on this. If you are choosing a channel name, please consider these 3 things. Number 1, make it simple. It should be a simple name that somebody can easily remember. Okay. Number 2, make it short and precise. Use a memorable name. This will easily help people to remember your name in case they are searching to get your videos. And thirdly, your name should be easy to spell. Don't use names that are very difficult to spell because some persons may be trying to search for you on YouTube, and if your name is not easy to spell, they may not be able to connect with you. Okay, so these 3 things is what I would advise you consider when you are selecting a name. If you like, you can use your name. If you like, you can use like a brand name. You can have a brand name like different from your name. It depends on what you want, but make sure number 1, it is memorable. 2, it is easy to spell, and 3, it is simple. Okay. And step 6, have your channel description. Your channel description should contain yourself, about yourself, what you teach, what your channel is about, and basically, okay, so you have your channel description. Now pay attention to this because a lot of beginners get this wrong. Do you know that before a lot of persons subscribe to your channel, they actually go through your channel? They actually check the content of your channel. Some go through the description before they actually subscribe. So it is very important that you have a description on your channel because that's like a place where the information of what your channel is about is being seen firstly before every other thing. So make sure to have your description ready. Make sure to create a description for your channel. Now, the 7th step, still on the pre-stage, research topic ideas that people are really searching for. Yes, research to know the topics that people are really interested in watching. You can use ChatGPT, Google Trends. The 8th step, create your first video. Now, your first video can be your intro video or any other video, but just create your first video, second video, third video. Just have like 3 videos down, okay? I'm saying this for you to start building consistency from the first day. Yes, so your first video don't need to be perfect, okay? What you should really focus on is your audio, your lighting, and giving helpful information. And the 9th step, edit those videos. You can use CapCut, InShot, Canva. And the last stage on the pre-stage, the 10th stage, create your thumbnail. A good thumbnail should have clear text, few words, strong emotion, clear focus. And now the post stage, where you have to use all you've created in the pre-stage. Firstly, we're going to be using the Gmail account we already created to actually create our new channel. Then we're going to upload our banner, our profile picture, our description, our channel name, and we're going to upload our first video and every other thing. So let's go right into practical now. So let's go straight to the YouTube app. The YouTube app, we tap on it and it's going to bring us to the interface. Now this is showing because this channel is actually a new one. I haven't created it, so let's go beneath here, tap on it. It's going to bring us to this place, so you can see option for you to create a channel. Once you tap on create that button, yeah, right here, you're going to see it's going to bring you to an interface. Yeah, it's going to bring you here, so you are asked to fill the information needed. So right here, you're going to upload the profile picture you've created before now, then add your channel name, the handle. Then automatically they will give you a handle. Then if you don't like the handle, you can do some adjustment, and if that is available, it will be given to you, right? So you fill the handle what you want, or leave it at what they gave you. Then add your channel name, the name you want to be bearing on your channel. Once you are done doing all of this, you just tap on create right here, and automatically you own a channel. It's as simple as that. Okay, you don't need to do too much. All right, so now after you are done creating this channel, I don't want to create this channel because I already own a channel, just for tutorial sake, but I'm not going to tap on the create. But once you tap on the create, automatically the channel will create. Okay, now after this, you will now see option for you to upload a proof, like the banner, everything will now show for you to upload your description, like everything you need to do on your channel. That's when you're going to see it pop out. Okay, so you can see that right now because I didn't create this channel. But once you tap on create, you're automatically going to see the options to do every other thing, and the things you're going to do are no longer much, just for you to add your description, basically your description. Now if you want to upload a video, you just come beneath here, tap on it. You can see option for short, live, or to upload video. So let's go and upload a video. So I tap on that and it's going to take me to my gallery, and I'm just going to pick the video I want to upload. Let's just pick this one. Okay, so now when you pick this one, you just come here and do some necessary settings like add title. Okay, if you want to schedule the video, you schedule it to the time you want. Choose your audience, children, adults, wherever, your location, add your playlist. Okay, you go there, add tags, then you go up and add your thumbnail. Now you can see the space for you to add thumbnail because this channel is not created yet. I didn't create a channel yet. Okay, so I never created the channel. I just use this for illustration. So once you create a channel, you're going to see every other option you need. You will see where you input your description. You will equally see where you actually show your YouTube banner and all of that. Okay, if you want to schedule your video, you schedule it. So this is how you can actually schedule it. Just come here, pick date. After you pick your day, you go for your time, you choose your time, you save it, and you are good to go. Okay, that's how to schedule your video. I love to schedule my video a lot because it helps YouTube get enough time to review my video before pushing it out to the audience. Okay, so once you are done, you just save it. Then you come over here, If there's another thing you want to add, you can add it. Okay, I love to do this with my YouTube studio, but you can use this one, but I prefer to use that very one, the YouTube studio. So just for tutorial sake, because this is where you can create channel. So this is option for you to add hashtags. Just click right over here, add your hashtags, and you are good to go. So this is not something really serious. It's very simple to do. So once you tap on upload, automatically it will upload. Now this YouTube says I have not created a channel, so once I tap on upload, automatically I'm going to create a channel, because without creating a channel you can upload a video. All right, so that's it. Okay, so if you come here, normally once this channel is created, you always see a pencil like that. That's where you always tap to upload a thumbnail you've created for your video. Okay, I still have another video on the channel where I actually showed how you can upload your video again. Okay, so please, this is what it is. I uploaded the first video, YouTube removed it because of policy and guideline. So that's why I couldn't do other things in this video. Just with this, you can have your channel up and going. Now, one of the biggest reasons why a lot of channels actually fail even before they start is not the lack of talent, but the lack of consistency. That is why I laid emphasis on that in the pre-stage. You need to create videos, like create 1, 2, 3. You have to form the habit of creating multiple videos so that it can actually become part of you. That will help you stay consistent, because batch creating actually helps you stay consistent. Okay, so if you can upload at least 1, 2 or 3 video a week, with that you can actually post at least 1 video, 2, 3 in a week. And one more thing I'll add before we round off for this video is make sure to always improve on every of your video. Let there be something new that you actually worked on every of your video. Remember, your first video may not be so good, it may not really get views, but don't stop. Just maintain being consistent. And here I'm gonna call it short for today's video. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're so welcome, and I'm making the last time gonna be seeing my face. You can actually join us simply by subscribing, and when you do, the notification bell on to help you get quick notifications whenever I post any video. Stay safe. See you in our next one. Bye.